everyone. My name is Ashley Davis with Kimberly Clark Professional. I am a Global Sustainability Manager for our PPE department. That's personal protective equipment. We sell products that are disposable into laboratory and manufacturing environments to help protect employees from various types of exposures. Some of the types of products that we sell are laboratory coats, boot cover or shoe covers, beard covers, bouffant caps, masks, respirators, safety eyewear, and nitrile gloves. One of the cool things about KCP is that we were the first manufacturer of PPE to launch a post-consumer recycling program in which we manage, where our customers can collect their used KCP PPE that is non-hazardous waste and send it back to us to put it into a new product. We have a handful of partners that help us complete this project where these materials are being turned into new materials. The program's been in market for over 10 years and we've diverted over 1,600 metric tons through this program. So when we think about how can we grow the program, what's next for the program, and what do our customers need or want in order to decide to participate in the program, it's very clear that sustainability focus is at the utmost for them, and they're prioritizing two things. One being landfill diversion, which is where Right Cycle comes in, but the other being carbon footprint impacts, which we haven't quite figured out how to do. And that's where you come in. We would love to see an app be developed in which our customer can easily input their shipping address, the types of products that they're going to be recycling, and the volume in which they're going to recycle, and see the benefit of those materials come through a calculator to show them, hey, this is the greatness of participating in Right Cycle, or just a generalized impact so that they can compare notes against the other options that they're evaluating for disposal methods. So through this exercise, I'm going to be providing you with some supplemental information. You're going to have a few customer addresses to help with the testing side. I'm going to provide you a map of exactly how our materials get processed. When a customer decides to ship materials in, they have two ways of shipping it. They can ship apparel in its own consolidated box, and they can ship gloves and packaging in its own consolidated box. Apparel is comprised of various materials, and it's predominantly focused on polypropylene-oriented materials. They also require a little bit more manual manipulation or work at the sortation facility, and so that gets it directed to the right processing line. So when those materials are determined and how they're going to ship, they go to very specific recyclers for processing. So that process map will reflect each material and exactly where they're going to ship to for recycling purposes, tying into your transportation impact calculator. The data that we will provide from a KCP's perspective, if this app is developed, we would provide the impacts, the emissions factor numbers to tie into the calculator to give an overall net carbon impact number for our customer. So at the end of their input and the utilization of the calculator, they'll be able to see exactly what their carbon impact looks like, and then they can make a decision as to whether or not our solution is right for them. I'm looking forward to working with you all through this process. I am happy to provide additional information if anything comes up that is deemed missing, and just look forward to any questions you all might have. Thank you.